Which one has higher running speed, cheetah or lion? Which one has higher jump height, red kangaroo or gray kangaroo? Which one has longer lifespan, rabbit or squirrel? Which one has higher shoulder height, moose or bison? Which one has heavier weight, bear or hippo? Which one has more litter size, squirrel or rat? Which one has wider habitat range, reindeer or deer? Which one has heavier weight, elephant or rhino? Which one has longer active hours, cat or dog? Which one has longer hibernation length, groundhog or chipmunk?